What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's an unboxing of the Gozney Dome. I'm super excited for it. Me and my twin brother here are going to be unboxing the video, and like for part 2 because I will then be showing you the completion of the kitchen with the dome up along with its first cook. So let's get into it. As you can see, it is a huge oven, so it definitely did require me and my brother to carry it in. It has the first instructions here, which basically just kind of tells you how to unbox it, how to cut it. So yeah, we're going to be going ahead and be doing that. So as you can tell, the oven will be going directly behind my brother in the blue right there. So I can't wait again to show you guys the completion of that. We're going to be doing a custom flume. That way it runs out underneath the kitchen area. Here, this is just all the instructions, the manual, and all that. It also does come with the cutter, which basically the cutter is just used to cut the corners of the boxes down. That way you can lift it out easily without having to, hurt yourself. Like I said, this oven is around 130 pounds, so you definitely can't carry it by yourself. When looking for an oven, we wanted something that we were going to be able to do dual, meaning something that was going to allow us to do propane and wood at the same time, and something that wasn't going to be breaking the bank. And after a lot of research, a lot of watching videos, we found that the Gozney Dome oven was the perfect fit. It's going to fit perfectly in the kitchen. It's not going to require a huge space, and like I said, it's not going to break the bank, and it's going to be able to do everything that we wanted to do. So that's really what sold us on it, and like I said, I'm excited. The reviews for the Dome is just so good, and I know it's a good quality oven. And so yeah, like I said, we're super excited to get going and making pizza, bringing new content to this channel. I'm still going to be doing content, with my uni ovens, but I want to have a full range of different types of ovens. I'm really excited to be working with wood and really getting to learn that. And once you have the corners of all the box cut down, it reveals the oven, which again is packaged nicely around some foam, so it's not going to shift and move during transportation. During transportation, it did come delivered by a semi, wrapped fully all the way around on a crate. So again, they definitely take care of how they're shipping it, so that again you're not getting damaged items. So that is definitely the nice part of that. And as you can see, again, we're just kind of figuring out how to do it. It does come with some nice straps on each corner, 4 straps. So that, again, either 2 people can pick it up, or you can have 4 people pick it up. And we just wanted to put it on this table for now. That way we can go ahead and take a look at it. And now the big reveal of the oven. Again, it comes, like I said, packaged pretty nicely. There's going to be boxes inside with all the parts in there. We're just kind of checking it out, making sure there's nothing cracked or scratched. It was a little dirty when we received it, which is not a big deal. Just thinking maybe, it's just been sitting around for a little while. First thing I did, I just took off the sticker, and basically the sticker just tells you, what to do with your first cook, curing it. So that's definitely going to be something that we're going to be doing. A lot of people had issues trying to remove the sticker. I removed it pretty easily without having to use any sticker removal spray or any heat gun. So, that came off nicely. And here again is my brother taking out the first box here of the oven. Like I said, they packaged it pretty nicely in there. So I believe there was a total of 3 boxes in there. the first big box just has the flue in there along with the rain cap and the ashtray as well. It did also have a thank you note from the CEO, so that was really cool. And so like I said, we're gonna get this flue set up, show you what it looks like. But being that we do have the oven sitting underneath the porch, we're gonna be having a custom flue just basically put together. That way we can make sure that we're running the the exhaust out from underneath the porch. That way we're not getting any black smoke or anything again on the top of the porch. Again, that was the ashtray that just basically fits in right there. So this box basically here has the plug, so whenever you're running propane, then you cover up the wood side, and vice versa. If you're running wood, then you cover up the propane side, and that's just the metal round ring, so that whenever again you're running propane, you have that set up. So that's what that box is here. As well, it did have the metal probe, so if you're doing meat, then of course there's going to be an area there on the oven where you could cook and monitor the heat with those probes. So that's pretty cool. The final box that was inside the oven is going to have the propane hose adapter, so it's just the one item there, as well as the battery for the igniter starter. And also just make sure that you do take out this bag, that way you're not having any issues on your first cook. So like and subscribe for part 2 of the first cook and the kitchen reveal.